Hello everyone, this is from Red Princess Designs, who is Judy. Hello Judy, thank you for entering my giveaway challenge. So let's open it up. Oh, so pretty. Happy birthday, thank you. Okay, let me look at that in a minute. Gigi, happy birthday to you. Wishing you wonderful blessings on your special day and always. Love, Judy, Red Princess Designs. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, here's her info for everybody. Oh, thank you. Did you make these? Oh my goodness, I love them. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I'm gonna be styling. Gorgeous. Thank you, hon. Thank you, Judy. I appreciate you. So thank you for entering, and thank you for the beautiful earrings and beautiful card. You have a lovely day, guys. Bye.